Hey friends, welcome back to the joyful space where we will explore dance and movement one playful step at a time. In today's episode, we're going to learn how to stand tall and proud like a dancer. So without further ado, hello, my name is Miss Jackie and welcome to Learn Like a Child. How to stand tall and proud like a dancer. Pretend we have an imaginary string from the top of our head pulling up to the very ceiling. Ears far away from your shoulders as much as possible. Now next we have a jumpsuit and we're going to zip it up all the way to the bottom of our chin. Next we have Thumbelinas. Hello Thumbelinas. They're very shy. So we're going to place them behind, so we hide them, and your fingers will be forward, showing off our nail polish. So our hands are on our waist, and now we begin by opening our feet with heels together. This next one is called sad toes, happy toes. We have a bird, and his name is George. George is always hungry. So let's begin with feet together. Now, we open our feet, Thumbelinas, very shy, place them behind. Now, George is always hungry, so let's give him a gummy worm. Ooh. He's hungry again. Let's feed him one more. Ooh. He's hungry again. Say, no more, George. Now he's very sad. So show me a sad face and a happy face. Now we're going to have sad toes, happy toes. And this is how we form first position. Now we're going to put it all together.